We have now made it a lot easier to find the proper coordinate system that you want to do on a specific operation. For example, if you take a look at this part, you can see that it's actually a pretty large part, and we have work to do on it on practically all sides. And I may have created inside my coordinate system several different coordinate systems, such as these 5 different positions that I have for coordinate systems. Now, when I go into an operation, I may not know exactly which one I may need for that particular operation. If I were to click, say, on this hole over here, what happens now, it will automatically highlight the ones that are appropriate for that particular hole. Click on a different surface, such as this one over here. It'll highlight that particular home position. Now let's take a look at how this can actually help us within an operation. Say I want to drill these holes over here. So I'll go into drilling, and when I go to select my coordinate system, I'll simply go into my coordinate system, and then when I click on the hole, it'll highlight the ones that I can possibly use. In this particular case, position 1 or position 5. And I can see that over here, position 5 and the position 1 over here. In this particular case, I can now easily see that I want position 1 since I'm drilling from this side. I'll just click on position 1 and accept that. And now you can see that I have position 1 chosen just by clicking on the hole inside my coordinate system search.